Hey guys, welcome to Binize channel. Today I'm going to introduce you how to get more wallpapers and widgets. Slide it to the last page and long press to click wallpaper, and you will be able to choose different sources. Have to mention, if you wanted to DIY the wallpaper, then you need to ensure the wallpaper you wanted to add and the format should be BMP, JPG, or PNG. The size should be about 1024 plus 600. Click Set Wallpaper. Then you will get your favorite wallpapers. And the next question is how to get different widgets. Actually, it's pretty easy. Just the same place with wallpaper. Yeah, you can add any widgets to the blank place as you like, such as time mentions or something else. Thanks for watching and welcome to purchase from Binize. Search www.binize.com to find more discounts.